Hello guys. In this video, we will explain how to recover deleted voice messages in a simple way by using a really great application that is 100% free before broadcasting in the explanation. Do not forget to mention God, and do not forget to pray, and peace be upon the messenger of God. May God bless him and grant him peace. We will move on to explain with God's blessing. The first step, my friend, is to go to this application, the link of which you will find in the first comment pinned at the bottom of the video. After that, my friend, click here on the audio. Here you will click on the audio and then wait, my friend, until the scanning is completed and all the audio records are searched for. As you can see, the audio records are being recovered and 177 audio files and audio recordings were found. Click on Yes. After that, I select All to recover all the audio files. After that, my friend, click here on Save or on this icon. After that, wait. As you can see the percentage here, until all the audio files are recovered and 176 audio recordings that were deleted have been recovered. Now, my friend, where will you find these audio recordings that were simply recovered? Go to the File Manager or manage the files on your phone and then click on it. After that, my friend, click here on this file, then click on Ultra Data, then click on Audio. And here, my friend, as you can see, you will find all the audio recordings that were successfully recovered. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited from it. For any inquiries, problems, or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.